Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to install Geany on Linux. So at the beginning we'll go into terminal and I will show you how to do it in the terminal, because I think this is the most recommended way, because using the site and downloading the files it's very complicated. You have to compile things, you have to do a lot of complicated things, so I think this command that I will show you is the easiest and will work for you. Maybe at the beginning I will tell you what is Geany. Geany is a lightweight code editor and IDE that supports, for example, C, C++, Python, Bash and many other programming languages. So, how can we install Geany? We can install Geany by typing in sudo apt install and Geany, like this. You can press enter. But it's very important to say that I am doing this on the Ubuntu distribution, so because I am doing this on the Ubuntu distribution, I have to use sudo apt install. If you are doing this on the Fedora, for example, you have to use sudo dnf install. If you are using a different distribution than Fedora or Ubuntu or Debian, you have to use your own command. You have to find it on your own, so you have to use sudo, your command, and Geany, and you have to press enter and type in your password, so like this. Do you want to continue? Yes. And right now we have to wait a bit for it to be installed. And as you can see, we have it installed, and right there we can press on Geany icon in order to open it. As you can see, our Geany is working. And we can launch it in a different way. We can launch it directly from terminal, so we can go and type Geany and press enter. As you can see, it is also working like this. And if you don't want to use command and you want to just download it from the website, you can do it. I will show you where you need to go. You need to open the browser, of course, and from the browser you have to type in Geany for Linux, like this, and press enter. And from there you have a Geany official page, Geany home. You have to click on that. Here you have download Geany 2.1.0. You have to go, and here you have a tar file that you need to download, extract, and you need to install it. It's complicated because you have to install libraries, because you have to compile it, you have to do a lot of things, so I will not show you that in this video. You can just use sudo apt install Geany and it will work. And that's all in this video. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.